Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to copy the plumbing fixtures in our architecture layout. Okay, see, here you can see I have opened the ground floor plan. Here we have a water closet, urinal, wash basin. Okay, so when I'm trying to select the water closet, can you see the complete drawing is selected. So here now we have to copy the plumbing fixtures. Let's say water closet, urinal, wash basin. Okay. So how to copy that plumbing fixture? See all of you. For that, we have to come here in collaborate tab. Okay. Hit on that collaborate tab. Here in copy coordinate panel, you will get the option copy or monitor. So from here, you have to hit on select link option, hit on select link and select the link file like this. Getting? Now see in coordination setting, you have to hit on coordination setting. Here you will get the coordination setting box will appear here. Okay, under category, what you have to do, you have to select the plumbing fixture because I want to copy the plumbing fixtures. So see anywhere, yeah, this is our plumbing, hit on that plumbing fixtures. Okay, now here you will get the behavior option. So copy behavior. So in copy behavior, here you have to select the allow batch copy. In mapping behavior, you have to hit on specific type mapping. Getting? So this thing you have to do. Now you have to hit on copy. I want to copy this plumbing fixture, hit on copy. Okay. So again, see the plumbing fixture is copying. So after doing this thing, you have to again come here in copy monitor panel, hit on finish from here. Okay. Now when you see your plumbing fixtures is copy in architecture layout. See, now when I'm trying to select the this only this water closet, see it is showing the selection option. Only this water closet is selected. See urinals. Okay. So all plumbing fixture is now copy here. Now you can change the GPM also here for plumbing fixture as per international plumbing code or uniform plumbing code. Okay, we have a different standard NBCI, National Building Code of India. So what you are following? Okay, so how to select the, how to change the GPM, gallon flow rate, water flow rate, gallon per minute for plumbing fixture. So I will show you as per international plumbing code. So here I have that PDF file of international plumbing code. Okay, I will share you this thing to you. See, when you open this here, to find out the flow rate here for each and every plumbing fixtures, just scroll down. You have to open the appendix E, I think. So see, from here open the page number 172. See, here you will get the table sizing. So with the help of this table you can do the sizing of water piping system. Okay, so here I want to see the flow rate. See, in this table load value assigned to fixture. So as per your fixtures you will get the load you are using for private, for public, as per that which type of, suppose if I talk about water closet or bathroom group, so it is a private type, flush tank type. So for cold water supply, how much fixture unit we have to select here, 2.7. If you want to supply the hot water, so fixture unit for hot water supply we have to select 1.5 as per IPC. Okay, because as per this fixture unit only you will get the flow rate value. Okay, so let's say here in our project, when you see this is our water closet, I want to change the GPM for water closet. So first of all I want to find out the water flow rate na. So first, before finding out the water flow rate, you have to open the international plumbing code and search the fixture unit is what for water closet. Here we have a water closet private. So generally we are designing for modeling a school building, it is a commercial. So water closet we are using for public. Which type of water closet you have? Let's say flush tank type. So for flush tank type water closet, see for cold water supply, how much fixture unit is given? 5. For hot water, there is no fixture unit because we are in water closet, we are not supplying hot water. Okay, for washing purpose. Only cold water only we are supplying. So 5 fixture unit is there. So for 5 fixture unit, how much flow rate? Just you have to open the another table. As per in this table, you will get the estimating demand. As per your fixture unit, water supply fixture unit is 5 na? So as per that 5, see, you will get the demand in gallon per minute or in cubic feet per minute. So I want the demand in flow rate value 9.4 it is showing. For 5 fixture unit, water supply fixture unit, water demand is showing 9.4. Okay, so in this way, you have to find out the flow rate. So what I am doing, open the Revit, just select this. How to change? See, select any plumbing fixture, let's say the water closet from the drawing. Okay, now in modify tab, mode panel, edit family option is given. Hit on that edit family. Okay, and presently first how much flow rate is showing, just hit on no. When you are selecting the water closet, here water flow pressure is given, flow rate is not given anywhere, I think. Okay, so okay, just come here in edit family. From here you have to select the connector, supply pipe connector. Okay, domestic cold water, select it. Getting? Now come here in PP properties palette. Here you can see flow configuration is given, flow direction is given, in loss method is given. Okay, you want to change the flow rate, it is showing 0 GPM, but we have seen the fixture unit or water supply fixture unit for water closet is 5. As per that 5 fixture unit, we have got the flow rate 9.4 something. So if you want to change, here see, you have to hit on this. Anything is not visible here, but here you will get one box, I think. Just 1 minute. Fixture unit is 5. Okay, 5 fixture unit is correct. Okay, it is given here 5. So as per that, here you have to change the flow rate, but option is not visible. So flow configuration, I am just using preset. Okay, then only you will get this flow value active. Now it is activated when you hit on preset na, so then it is activated. Now in flow it is written 0 GPM, so just hit on this, and what you want to change, hit on this small box. Okay, now see, from here you can create a new parameter for flow, write down the name flow. Getting? Check type property. Flow is what? Piping type of parameter flow. Okay, everything is correct. Hit on OK. Again you have to hit on OK. And but see the, okay, we have done that thing. Now finally load into project and close. Do you want to save changes? Hit on no. And after that hit on override the existing version. Now see, now when you select the water closet, here you will get the option of flow pressure option is given. Yeah, now come here in edit type. Anywhere can you see the flow option? Yeah, now from here edit type you can change the flow. So fixture unit also, if you want to change water fixture unit, cold water supply fixture unit is same 5. So flow as per 5 fixture unit we have seen 9.4 GPM. So from here you can change it. So why I am changing the flow rate in edit tab? Because if you change the flow rate for any one of the water closet, whatever water closet you have placed in your drawing, each and every flow rate will change. Each and every water closet flow rate will change. Apply OK. Now see, if you want to see this water closet flow rate, select it, edit type, see it is showing same now 9.4 GPM. Okay, same way for uriner. See, when I'm selecting the uriner, can you see in edit type flow value is given? No. So first we have to add that flow value in edit type. Okay, only fixture unit is given. So okay, first I will show you from here. Search the fixture unit for uriner. So where is uriner? So which type of uriner? Let's say public flush tank type of uriner. For that water supply, for water supply fixture unit is 3. So as per this 3 fixture unit, how much GPM? 6.5 gallon per minute. Okay, so 6.5. So first see what I am doing. Hit on that uriner, edit type, Here you have to do the setting, select this connector, okay, water supply connector. Flow configuration, you have to select preset. In info, in this flow option, you have to hit on this small box, create new parameter for flow, okay. Hit on type property, okay, again, okay. Now load into project and close. Hit on no and hit on override the existing version. Now when you select this urina in edit type, when you go now, here you will get the option of flow that we have added. How much? 6.5. Write down now 6.5. And fixture unit, cold water fixture unit is 3 na, I think it is showing 3. So just you can change that also, apply, okay. Getting? So when you have changed any one of the uriner flow rate, automatically whatever uriner is there in your project, because we have changed the value from edit type, okay. See, for this also, when you come here in edit type, flow is showing same, cold water supply 3 and flow 6.5. Same way for wash basin, select it first. See the fixture unit and flow rate for wash basin. So here you have to open the table. Wash basin is there anywhere. Beaded bathtub. So tell me, you have to search the wash basin, or you can say laboratory. So we have a public type of laboratory 1.5 for cold water supply. Fixture unit is 1.5, for hot water is also 1.5. So as per 1.5, how much flow rate we have to take? 4 gallon per minute, okay, because 1.5 is coming between that, so take as a 4. Now come here, select that any of the wash basin, hit on edit family. Same thing you have to do, select this one, supply connector. Here you have to hit on preset. Flow direction is out, it is showing out. So 1 minute, sorry, I have selected, just press the Ctrl Z. See, always we have to select this one, okay, supply connector. So I have selected first this one, hit on flow direction, preset, everything. This is domestic hot water connector, okay, which I have selected here. So now hit on this. Suppose I am creating parameter, new parameter for flow, just create it, hit on okay, okay. Same way for hot water. Now you have to connect the cold water connector. Here also you have to do same thing, preset. Now it is a domestic, hit on this, create one more with the help of flow for cold water, okay. I'm writing the name, cold water, getting. And this is flow for hot water, so it an edit type, okay. Already we have written flow, so remember this thing, okay. Okay, then load into project and close, hit on no. After that, hit on override the existing version. Now see, select any of the wash basin in edit type. Here you will get the option, see, cold water fixture unit is 1 point, hot water is 1 point. Now see, flow for cold water, how much we have taken? 4 GPM. Same way for hot water also, same 4 GPM only na. Apply, okay. So in this way you have to change the GPM for plumbing fixture as per international plumbing code. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.